Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to zoom in your videos using Filmora editor. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. So here I have this video added to media in Filmora. Now I'm going to drag and drop this video to video track 1, play this video and show you how it looks with no zoom effects. So as you can see, this video maintains the same zoom level throughout its duration. And now if I wanted to zoom in on this tornado, what I have to do is just select this video here in track 1, navigate to top right video, basic, and then here find this scale slider. So by default it's set to 100, meaning that's the zoom level by default. And if I move the slider to the left, I'm zooming out. So we start seeing this black border, or if I move it to the right, I'm zooming in. Okay, so let's say now I'm zoomed in by 244%. So if I play the video, it will maintain this zoom level from start to finish. Okay, but if you wish to zoom in on your video at a specific point in time, what you can do is, for example, if I play this video and let's say I will stop at this point in time, if I want to start zooming in on the tornado at this point in time and maybe then zoom back out later in the video, back to the default zoom level, what I have to do is go back to video basic, and here next to this scale slider, click on this diamond, which is add keyframe. So once you click here, if you navigate back to the timeline, and here on this video now, you should see this little diamond appearing here at the top as well. So if you left click, select it, you'll expand this window. Okay, there you will have visibility of your keyframes. Now if I move this playhead just a bit further out in time, click here again, add another keyframe, and then let's say I'm going to add 2 more at a similar distance from each other, like that. Okay, now if I select this second keyframe here, go back now to scale, and let's say I'm going to type in 200, hit enter, and then I'm going to select this keyframe right here and do the same, change it from 100 to 200. Okay, and now what's going to happen here, our video is going to start here at 100% zoom level. Then it's going to gradually increase to 200, maintain 200 level for a specified duration here, and then it will gradually go back to default scale level. Let's take a look at this in action. So this is 100%, gradually going in, zooming in, 200, and then zooming back out to 100. And this is it, guys. This is how you apply zoom effects to your videos in Filmora. Quick and easy. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.